The house is completely dark and everyone is fast asleep. But in the kitchen, a tiny shadow moves. Its whiskers, a very fluffy orange cat with a secret passion for gourmet cooking. Every night, while he is once asleep, Whiskers turns into the master chef of the house. He jumps onto the marble counter, puts on a crisp white chef hat, and adjusts his tiny reading classes tonight. He is craving something spectacular, a luxury shaped platter. Whiskers opens the refrigerator with his paws and carefully pulls out fresh salmon, a bottle of olive oil, and some green catnip herbs. Standing on his hind legs, he holds a small knife and precisely chops fresh parcel on a wooden board. In each chop is perfectly timed, showcasing his incredible feline culinary skills. Now the real excitement begins. Whiskers turns on the stove and places a black cast iron skillet on the heat. He pours a golden stream of olive oil into the pan. The moment the fresh salmon hits the hot skillet, it makes a loud, beautiful sizzle. Thick, delicious steam starts rising into the air, carrying a rich aroma through the kitchen. Whiskers uses a wooden spatula, flipping the fish with total style and grace. He gently speaks salt, pepper, and his secret ingredient, a dash of premium catnip over the food. His ears twist with joy as he smells the perfection of his cooking. He tastes a tiny drop of the sauce from the pan and pass with certifications. It is without a doubt a masterpiece.